Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a Nigerian style quinoa recipe. If you look through the video, you see this is quinoa. It's one of the healthiest food ever. Healthiest food. When you want to eat healthy, this is #1 option. It has all the correct nutrients our body needs. So that's why I'm making it today, to show you guys how you can prepare it in a Nigerian style cooking. So let's go straight to it. Now I've already boiled my water. You see the water is boiling in the pot. And now I'll add salt for taste. Don't want to oversalt it. Yes. So all I have to do now is to pour it here in the bowl. I'll pour it inside this bowl and wash it. Wash it. As I'm washing it, I'll be transferring it into the boiling water. You can see how I'm washing it. But if you don't want to wash it, you can as well put it pour it directly into your pot and leave it to cook a while. It's like when you are parboiling rice. You know white rice? Yes. It's similar to that. Sometimes you have to have a parboil and they wash, then drain it and pour it back to the pot. So, but today I don't want to go about that. I will just wash it first before cooking, so that I'm not going to wash it again. I will just allow it to cook. So you guys can see, it's optional, whichever way you want to do it. If you want to parboil it first and wash later, but I just want to do everything at the same time and allow it to cook. You can see how I'm doing it. Sorry. So now it's a very tiny seed. It's very hard to hold, to grab it. So you have to take time to wash it and pour it into the pot. Sorry. It's a simple recipe. Just after boiling it and cooking it down, then you can use a stew. I already prepared my stew, my Nigerian style stew for this quinoa. So I will show it to you guys later when the quinoa is ready. When I finish cooking, I will bring the stew. You don't have to do anything, just allow it to cook. It can cook for you have to leave it for a while, 15 to 20 minutes to cook very well. And check it constantly. Don't leave it unattended to know because sometimes the water will drain. It will just drain all the water, and you have to keep on adding water. I think it cooks, it expands while it cooks. That's why it tends to absorb all the water in the pot. So you have to watch it. Otherwise, you might not have you end up have it half done, because if you don't have enough water to cook it down, it will not cook well. So I will drain a little bit and then when the water is yes, I will put the. So now I've already washed it and throw it into the pot. We allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. At this stage, I'm gonna cover it and allow it to cook. Cover it half the pot. Don't cover everything because it will overflow and start. You might lose some of your quinoa. So yeah, you leave it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. I will cover it now. I'll cover the pot, but don't cover the lid. Don't cover the whole pot. Leave it halfway, so it will not overflow, and to allow it to cook properly. I will come back to show you guys after 20 minutes when it's done. Yes, at this stage I'll check the quinoa. Yeah, quinoa is ready. It's very ready too. I'm going to sieve it. I'm going to throw it in the sieve to drain it up. Oh my, this is still on. Yes, I will drain it right now. Yeah, I've finished draining it. So right now, I will leave it in the, I'll rinse up the pot a little bit because there's some more content of quinoa here. Yes, I've finished draining the quinoa. You guys can see now it's ready to eat. It's ready to eat. See, you see the texture. At this stage, use your spoon to separate them so that you allow air to get into the quinoa. Because when you leave it together, it still cooks. But we don't want that. So you leave it like this to continue to drain, but as it is now, it's ready to eat. I will dish out some of my quinoa and show you guys the delicious way of eating it. There are so many ways to make quinoa. You can make it as a salad with your vegetables, and yeah. And even at this stage, you can add your garnish it with your vegetable. You cook your vegetable and add it to by the side. And this is the stew. It's already prepared. Nigerian style stew with salmon and stockfish. So this is it. Can you see that? Oh my, so lovely. Delicious. It smells so nice. You see, at this stage it's ready to serve. You have yourself a delicious Nigerian style quinoa. I'm gonna give it a taste. Oh, so delicious. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me Juliana. So by me Juliana. Today we'll be making this delicious Nigerian style quinoa recipe, Nigerian style stew quinoa recipe. So if you want to know how it's prepared, keep on watching.